Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we made this search bar, but in this search bar, there's a bug. So let me show you the bug. So let me first search for this Abigail movie and then we'll search for this Kung Fu Panda. So let me search for this movie Abigail. It is showing everything is working fine. But if I try to search for the movie Kung Fu Panda, it is not working. So why we are getting this bug? Let's come to our code and let me tell you why we are getting this issue. So if I come to this search bar over here, first we are filtering the movie and then setting the movie to this filtered movies. Okay, so the problem is we are changing these movies to the filtered movies list and then we are trying to get the movies from that filtered list. So this is the problem. Okay, so how do we solve this problem? Basically the solution is very simple. All we have to do is to maintain another list that is not gonna change. So let's come to this hook that we made, use fetch movies, and if you see over here we have this movie state. Okay, now let's make another state. Let's call it all movies for filtered, all movies for filtering, comma, set all movies for filtering, right? Use state hook, and let's set it to null. And when we are setting these movies, let's set all movies over here to data dot results, right? So now what we have two states, one this movie state and this all movie state for filtering the movie. This state, this variable is not gonna change, so we are going to filter the movies from this variable. And let me return this. So let's return this and let me get it over here in app.jsx. So in app.jsx, let me get it and let me pass it over to our navbar component. So let me pass it over to our navbar component and let's come to our navigation bar, and in the navigation bar let's receive this component and again let's pass it to, and let's pass it to our search bar component. So let us pass it over here, and in the search bar component, if you come over here, let's first receive this thing, and instead of filtering from this movie, now we are gonna filter from all movies for filtering. And I think the search bar should work now. So let me come over here and try to search for the movie Abigail. It is working. And let's search for Kung Fu Panda. It is working. And let's search for which movie? Let's search for this movie Migration. So migration. So basically we fixed this search bar component, and let me show you what we did. So first of all, we made another state variable in our use fetch movies that is called all movies for filtering, and we are returning this state variable. We are passing this state variable to this search bar component. Since this movies for filtering is not changing, that is why we are able to filter the movies from this state variable, and that is why our search bar now works. So this is it for this video. In the next video we are going to learn how we can do routing with the help of React Router DOM library, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.